This video is going to be a little different from what I normally do because I would just want to tell you about the joy of living small and simple. You know, I may not live in a big house or have everything that money can buy, but what I do have is peace, comfort, and a home that feels like me. Today I want to share why I'm grateful for my small home and the simple life that comes with it. Welcome back to the channel. To all my subscribers, welcome to my new subscribers. And if this is your first time visiting here, come on in and I'm gonna give you some information that hopefully makes you think about being grateful for your life. Life isn't perfect and it never will be. But when I stop and look around, I realize just how much I have to be thankful for. Being grateful has changed the way I see everything. And today, I want to share what being truly grateful for my life means. It's so easy to overlook the simple things, the roof over my head, the meals on my table, the laughter of friends and loved ones, even the quiet moments when I can just breathe. These are blessings. When I focus on them, I realize my life is already full. Having my small home means it's less for me to clean, less for me to maintain, and less to spend money on. But it also means more freedom. I don't feel tied down by clutter or overwhelmed by space I don't need. Every corner of my home has a purpose, and that makes it feel warm and alive. I'm grateful for the little things, like getting my coffee ready in the morning, the way the sun comes through my windows and hits across the table, or even the quiet evenings when I can hear the frogs outside in the pond. These moments might seem small, but they add up to a life filled with peace. I've lived in my home for 5 years, and I'm so thankful for the journey that brought me here. The good days, but also the struggles when I was really broke and didn't have money to do anything. Every challenge taught me strength. Every setback showed me what really matters. Gratitude isn't just about what's easy, it's about appreciating the lessons too. I'm always grateful for the lessons that God teaches me along the way, and it just teaches me how to be humble, just to be humble and grateful. I've had so many people help me throughout my life, and I'm just so grateful for them. Family, friends, and even strangers who showed me kindness. Relationships remind me that we're not meant to walk through this world alone. Whether it's in a phone call, a hug, or a smile, those connections are priceless. For years, society told us bigger was better. A bigger home, more stuff, more status, keep up with the Joneses. We tried doing all that, and I've had that. The big houses, closets full of clothes, but I don't need any of that. Now I see that more isn't always more. In fact, sometimes more just means more stress. My smaller home reminds me daily that contentment doesn't come from square footage. It comes from appreciation. Let me tell you something I found out. Gratitude is a choice we make in life, because life always has problems, but gratitude shifts our focus from what's missing to what's already here. When I choose to be thankful, I find peace in the present moment instead of always chasing what's next. I'm grateful for what I have. It may not be as good as somebody else's or more expensive, but it's mine, and I'm grateful for that. I may not have everything I thought I wanted, but I have everything I need. I have a refrigerator full of food, I have furniture, I have a bed to sleep in, I have lights, I have heat, I have air when I need it. And I'm just so grateful for that. And gratitude turns what we have into enough. And even more, it turns our life into a gift. So today, I want to take the time to choose gratitude for my home, for my life, for my friends, for my family, and for the blessings I sometimes take for granted. If you're feeling like your life isn't big enough, pause and look closer. really look closer. Are you missing something in life? Just be patient, but be grateful for what you have, because having lots of things doesn't make your life better. Sometimes having what you need makes your life better. So just be grateful for the small things in life that you have. And health, having your health is one great thing that you never want to miss out on. So be grateful for your health. Take every day and just find some reason to be grateful. And just think about how you're living, what you're living for, and be grateful for that. Because I know it's so easy to look around and compare ourselves to others, what they have, where they live, what they drive. But I found joy in stepping back and saying, this is enough. My home may be small, but it's mine, and that makes it priceless. I'm not ashamed of where I live. I'm not ashamed of what I have or don't have according to others, but what I do have is mine. Now, if what you heard today is something that resonates with you, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Share it with someone who might need a reminder, and subscribe for more reflections on living with peace and joy. And tell me in the comments, what's one thing you're grateful for today?